What is a preliminary hearing? A preliminary hearing is your first opportunity to challenge the evidence against you. In a preliminary hearing, the district attorney, they have the burden of showing to the judge that they have enough evidence to pursue the charges against you and that your case could go to trial. Now, this is different from proving in a trial beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. They don't have that same burden. Instead, the prosecutor needs to show that it's more likely than not that a crime was committed and that you were the one who committed it. They also have to prove each element of the crimes that you're charged with. More likely than not, you committed those crimes. Again, this is a lower standard than going to trial. The idea is that you can challenge the evidence if you feel there are significant problems with it. So this is your first opportunity to essentially cross-examine the arresting officer, and it's possible that you could challenge the evidence or challenge the testimony to the extent that the charges get thrown out. Or maybe if they don't get thrown out, maybe they get reduced, which is also a big benefit. Now, in some situations, you may know they're right. I did this, and that's a problem. Then I know that I'm going to be convicted of this if I go to trial. Well, you still want to get a lawyer involved. And here's why. Because when you go to the preliminary hearing, your lawyer and the district attorney will have an opportunity to talk. And it's a great opportunity for your lawyer to develop a good relationship with the district attorney regarding you, to talk you up and explain all the great things about you. This is a good opportunity to have your lawyer work out a plea deal, or at least start that conversation toward getting a plea deal agreed to and approved by the judge. Whether the evidence against you is solid or there may be problems, you're going to want to contact a lawyer who can go into your preliminary hearing and work on your behalf and either get those charges dismissed or reduced, or at least begin the negotiations on a plea deal. So that's your preliminary hearing.